Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Honda Click Menor. We'll cover essential adjustments to keep your scooter running smoothly and safely. First, we'll look at the engine's idle speed, a simple tweak for better performance. Then, we'll move on to ensuring your brakes have the correct free play for responsive stopping. Finally, we'll discuss how to properly aim your headlight for optimal visibility on the road. Let's get started with these practical steps. Adjusting your engine's idle speed is straightforward. You'll find the idle screw on the carburetor, usually a small, accessible knob. To increase the engine's revolutions per minute, turn the screw clockwise in small increments. If you need to decrease the RPM, turn it counterclockwise. Aim for a smooth, consistent idle, typically around 1,500 to 1,700 RPM, ensuring your scooter doesn't stall or race when stopped. Proper brake lever free play is crucial for safety and effective braking. Locate the adjustment nut near the brake lever, often covered by a rubber boot. First, loosen the lock nut to allow for adjustments. Then, turn the main adjustment nut until you achieve about 10 to 20 millimeters of free play at the lever tip before the brakes engage. Once set, tighten the lock nut securely to prevent it from moving during operation. Correct headlight aim ensures you can see clearly and don't blind oncoming traffic. Park your Honda Click Menor on a level surface, facing a wall about 10 feet away. Locate the headlight adjustment screw, usually found near the headlight assembly. Turn the screw to raise or lower the beam. The top of the low beam cutoff should be slightly below the height of the headlight itself, providing optimal illumination without causing glare.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.